Hi, Pavi Dinamani with Digital Trends. I'm here with Gal Razov, founder and CEO of Foldimate. So you remember when you were a kid and you hated folding clothes? There is a solution to that. You can never worry about your kids doing that again because they're going to have a solution.
Yeah, they're going to fight over who is going to do the laundry folding at home.
So this is Foldimate, and tell us more about Foldimate, Gal.
Sure, Foldimate is a robotic laundry folder. It allows you to fold an entire laundry load in under 5 minutes. All you have to do, it's very simple. You take an item, you clip it in, and it automatically folds it for you. Next time it comes back,
It'll just be
it'll
folded.
just be ready for the next item.
Okay.
So why didn't you try?
Oh yeah, I'll do it, for sure. Look, Ma, I'm folding, finally.
So Foldimate can fold shirts, pants, towels, even pillowcases.
Okay.
6-year-old up to extra large.
Okay.
So the most laborious, tedious items in your laundry load.
Okay. So why did you come up with this concept? I mean, I understand people hate folding clothes. Most people, I assume that. But what was your driver?
So first I hate folding laundry.
That's true.
I admit it. And the second is, you see this quality? My wife's quality, I never met it.
Right.
So I said, I want something that will help me help out in the home, like with
chores.
dishwashers.
Right.
So I don't like doing the dishes, but I use the dishwasher. And I said, if we had something like a dishwasher that could fold my items for me, I just feed in the items and it will give me a neatly folded pile.
Yeah.
That would be awesome, right?
Yeah.
And that's what made me start exploring this and going after this dream. And you see, today we got to a point where we have a working prototype, and people from our team are bringing their laundry over to the lab.
That's cool. So tell me about this in general. Would it be, I mean, it's a pretty big machine. So in terms of power, what are we looking at for people's bills and things like that?
Sure, so it's a robotic device. We redesigned this year so it will fit into any room in your home. We have fans who want to put it in their bedroom, for example, next to their closet. So all they need is just a standard power outlet. That's it, power socket, and they're done.
So in my head, I'm thinking dryer, and dryers are like loud. What about Foldimate?
Sure, so Foldimate is less than a dryer.
Right.
Don't forget that you're also using it for a few minutes
Right.
and you're done. But you saw it, you told me.
Yeah, it
Did you
wasn't-
hear it? It's not that loud. And it's also very capable of allowing you to make it simple so that really your kids can actually use it and not only you.
Yeah, that's perfect. And is it for sale right away, or when can we see this in the market?
No, it's still in prototype stage. That's our latest prototype you see here. We still need to go through the long and costly manufacturing process. We haven't finalized the price and the release date yet, but we're trying to get it to around $1,000+ and ship the early units towards the end of the year.
Okay, and are you focusing on businesses versus the consumer?
So that's the home version. We also got a lot of attention from laundromat owners.
Okay.
So we're considering making a commercial version that will go into laundromats on a robot that is a service business. The idea is to get the laundromat customers to enjoy the benefits of a Foldimate, even if they don't have it in their homes.
Right. And I'm thinking of it like at home. One of my concerns would be, what if it broke or got stuck and things like that? So what's the warranty plan? How easy is it to fix?
So part of the manufacturing process is to partner with a manufacturer and also to be able to service the customers who will have the first units in their home.
Right.
We're looking into a few partnerships and training the technical team there. It's going to be in the works, and of course there will be some standard warranty to a device like that.
Okay, and where can we find this now? I mean, I know that it's not in the market yet, but can we order it at all?
Yes, I mean, you can't order it, but you can join our pre-order wait list. We have a pre-order wait list where you go online to foldimate.com and you give us your details so we can plan ahead and be ready for the pre-orders.
Okay.
So if you're interested, go online, foldimate.com, and register there.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you so much,
Thank
Gal.
you. And
Thank
we can
you.
see
Yeah.
what you folded.
Yeah, I'm ready. Boop. Ah, fabulous. Again, thanks for watching. For more information, do log on to digitaltrends.com/CES.